Hey, welcome back, my amazing students. This is the Python mentor here, helping you master Python step by step. So this is part 3 of our project, and we're going to connect a couple different things in here. And we are also going to fit just a couple different bugs, I should say, that could make our application a little better if we fix them. Now, like for example, here on salary, instead of having a string here, what we can do is we can pass a float, right? It's simple things like this. Now we could make sure that that data is properly served to that class, right? Whatever class is actually calling it down here, okay? On the manager, what I want to do is I want to actually add a function here, a method to show the team. All right, we'll pass self keyword here, and then we'll run through this, and we'll go through the, as a matter of fact, I have a for loop somewhere here, right here. I have that, and I can just copy it right here and paste it, right? And here, instead of employees, we'll have team, and that's it. That's what I wanted to, let me see, for emp in self team, yeah. We should be good here. We don't even need a left string here if we don't want to. We can just pass in this whole thing like this. We can have a string for this, just like that. All right. A little space right here. All right. Let's keep making some more changes. Let's see what else we can do here. So department, we're adding it. We are looking into, we can put this below. So basically what I'm doing is refactoring, guys. I'm making my code more readable and a little better, and connecting some of the dots that we need to connect. So and I'm showing you guys this so that way you guys get used to doing the same thing that I'm actually doing. So you can look, it's like you're looking behind my back, right? I mean, you're looking front my back into what I'm doing, right? You feel like that, right? All right. We can take all this off. And what we can do here is we could have another for loop, all right? I had to pause the video because I think there were some planes passing by that were really loud. So hopefully they didn't come out on the recording here. I don't plan on listening too much to the recording. I don't do a lot of editing for my videos. Sorry about that. Forgot where I was. Sorry. I'm not perfect, guys. Come on. I'm doing this so I can help you guys out and, you know, get better things in life, learning Python. Anyway, here what we're going to go through is the list of employees, and we are going to print this out pretty. So right here like this. All right. And here we have a name for them, right? So what I can do, we also have a role. And we have a salary, right? And we can format this, boom, into decimal places. Good stuff. All right, let's go up here. Yeah, this looks good so far. All righty. Manager. And you guys heard that, right? So I'm gonna leave this in the in the recording so that way you guys can believe me when I tell you that it was a big. I thought there were planes actually, but I think it's thunder, which is crazy. All right. Anyway, I'm gonna leave this because I think it's kind of fun. So yeah, we got this, and what I'm gonna do. This should be. Let's make another one here real quick. Let's do, and we're gonna see everybody working here because I want to make this lecture a little bit different than the last one, all right? So we're gonna have everybody working here. And what I'm gonna do is, instead of doing all this stuff here, I'm gonna make a for loop here. I'm gonna say for person in developer 1, developer 2, and even the manager is gonna get in here. we are going to say person work, because we all have the same method, but different behaviors, right? This is a form of polymorphism, right? So polymorphism, or polymism. I actually mispronounced that, right? Polymorphism. Hopefully I am, I have it right. Anyway, so this is gonna work. That's cool. We can take all this off if we wanted to, right? Take all that off. And here, what I can do is I can say manager, since we have a new method, and we can say show me the team, just like that. And now let's see if this works. And I should have just done save as part 3 here, and I didn't do that, so yeah. But anyway, you can see that here. It's actually working, the new one, everything working. William's coding as a Python developer. We got to fix that. All right. So let's go there and fix that. So we can say developer here. There we go. We can run that again, and now you can see it. Okay. Super cool thing. And technology members, you can see the team here. Really cool stuff, guys. Anyway, we're done with this lecture. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that. For those of you that are brand new, subscribe, like the video, and go to that playlist in the link of this description of this video. There's a big link there for the playlist. Go do that. Do yourself a favor and take the best course on YouTube for Python, for mastering Python subjects. I'll see you guys in the next lecture.